everybody, welcome back to FreshCo Graphics. Today, we'll talk about trendy outdoor garden patio design ideas. Hopefully, the pictures presented will provide inspiration for all of you. Let's just get started. Some people just love the outdoors, the beauty of a still starlit night sky, the warm breeze of a summer's day, the tingly chill of a fresh autumn morning. If you are one of these people, then an outdoor garden patio is a must. Today, with the huge selection of garden patio products available, designing and creating your very own patio oasis is not as difficult as you may think. All it takes is some simple planning and some imagination. A trendy outdoor patio should be natural, and you should try and use the natural surroundings to inspire you. Of course, as well as being a space to relax and watch the world go by, trendy garden patios are a great place to entertain guests. Some people believe a patio has to be a huge space which is level. This is not the case, as small patios which are uneven and not level bring so much more depth and character to your garden. Careful planning will ensure you utilize the space fully. Water features are an excellent patio addition. They can be wall-mounted or freestanding, and the trickling sound of water is a beautiful background soundtrack to have in any garden. The new bamboo Japanese-style water features are particularly excellent and will add a touch of harmony and style to your patio. Any trendy outdoor garden patio should have some plants. Containers are an excellent way to present plants and flowers on your patio, with a range of shapes, sizes and colors to suit your design. Raised flower beds and rocky gardens can also add a relaxing feel to your outdoor garden patio. Flowing winding paths can break up the lines in the garden and add some character and flow, so be creative with the path design. New trendy sculptures and structures add some personalization to your patio and are a good focal point for your patio. If you have a moderate-large patio space, a modern take on outdoor garden patio seating is to use outdoor sofas. This will add a touch of class and comfort to your patio. With the huge range of outdoor sofas available these days, the prices are not as pricey as you may think. When you design and create your trendy outdoor garden patio, let your imagination go and be free. Get creative and work with the nature you have around you to make your patio space relaxing and somewhere you can enjoy the wonders of being outside. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video helps you to make an outdoor garden patio for your home. Thank you.